Tedward Taylor TV. I'm just going to show you something I like to do, and this is how I draw a TV and actually put a real video on it. So the first stage is to draw a TV. Now I'm just going to do a quick one for this example. I'm using Procreate. There we go. It's just a bit rushed, but never mind. So I'm using Procreate to do this, as it allows me to colour each individual section in with one fill. So that's the VCR done. Okay, so as you can see there, it's a bit rough. Now, to save it, the first thing I need to do is untick this layer, the second layer, because I want it to show through on the screen. And the important thing is, don't just click share image, click go down to share layers, and then I save it as PNG. And now for the editing part. So here's another one that I've done last time, so I can just delete that one and start this one. I'll just take that out. And put this new one in. And then I just need to position it. So I'm on frame and fit. So I just there we go. Now it's just sticking out at the top a little bit, so I'll just make that a little bit bigger. The left a little bit. And I'll just move it up. Move the picture up a little bit. And there we go.
Is on sleeping its beans.
Oh yes, the children will be coming to the library soon.
Yes, my sweeties, dawn is upon us.